Good morning! Welcome to vlogmas number 6. I'm in Buffalo. Yay! Buffalo! I'm getting a white Christmas. Actually, we are getting a blizzard and we've been stuck in the house for 2 days. We can't leave, but we're gonna make the best of it. Obviously, since I'm stuck in the house, I'm not gonna vlog every day because I'm just not doing anything. But I'm gonna merge the last few days, the day that I was traveling and yesterday, into one. So anyways, now I'm gonna eat some breakfast and figure out how to entertain myself in the house in the middle of the blizzard. So today, we're gonna watch the Bills. I genuinely don't care about football. Hey, I'm gonna make a puzzle. What else can we do? Oh, we have to go outside and retrieve some recycling bins that flew away in the blizzard yesterday. So okay, I'm Muslim, so I don't actually celebrate Christmas, but I'll do the non-secular things, like things that are related to winter, like reindeers and gingerbread houses and stuff. But the story of Christmas.
The Romans celebrated the winter solstice.
Make it more dramatic.
And it was called Saturnalia. And it was a very festive. It was very festive. It was a big night of celebration. And then when Christianity came on the scene, it was like a natural kind of fit, it seemed like. And obviously Christianity is the story of, you know.
Look at how beautiful that Christmas tree.
Of a place I love, even more than I usually do. And although I know
I feel like Beyonce, guys.
It's a long road back. I promise you I'll be home for Christmas.
Hello, I'm back from dinner. It's time to pack. We're making an impromptu last-minute trip to Buffalo because there's a snowstorm on Friday, which is when we were gonna leave. So we're gonna leave the day before so we can avoid the snowstorm. Since I don't have time to do my hair here, I'm gonna take all of my hair tools, and that's gonna take the majority of the luggage.
I'll be home for Christmas. You can count on me. Please have snow and mistletoe and presents on the tree.
Merge it with
You've lost my audience, baby.
Cultural custom. And this is for this one. You should like do over like you go.
It's like dream sequence. The thing is, even if you're Muslim, you're forced to celebrate Christmas because you get the days off. It's the time where everyone gets the days off. You get to hang out with your family, and it's cozy. You get to be inside in the house. So you're kind of celebrating it without actually celebrating it. But I'm saying, like, I do the non-secular stuff, like building gingerbread houses and reindeers. I like pine trees, but I don't decorate it. Halloween, for example, pumpkins aren't Halloween themed. Pumpkins are fall themed. But like decorating, putting a costume
means that you're the devil.
And for Christmas, I'm trying to like find the line between what is strictly winter season themed and what is Christmas themed. And so I'm saying that decorating a Christmas tree is Christmas themed, but a pine tree itself is not Christmas themed. A pine tree is winter themed. Snowman, winter themed. Reindeers, winter themed.
No, reindeer is Santa, which is
reindeers? Wait, reindeers aren't real?
No, but like the flying reindeer.
Oh yeah, no, but I mean like just reindeers in general. Gingerbread. What is gingerbread? Winter themed or Christmas
They
themed?
would hang it on the tree.
Gingerbread. So gingerbread is probably Christmas themed.
Debatably.
We are stuck in here. No. I'm dreaming of a white Christmas voice.
Just like the ones I used to know, where the treetops listen and choose to hear sleigh bells.
I was just saying we should make a puzzle. This is my activity for today.
Of a white Christmas, with every Christmas card I write. May your days, may your days, may your days be merry and bright.
What happens when you're stuck in a blizzard for 2 days and you don't have enough food? You invent. You make corn, rice,